Hello and welcome to Locks. Today we are diving into natural hair cornrow hairstyle inspirations and ideas for Black women. These hairstyles are the ultimate protective style. They keep your precious strands tucked away, meaning way less tugging and pulling every day, which helps so much with keeping your hair length and avoiding breakage. Your scalp gets to breathe, and they are so easy to maintain. It's like a mini vacation for your hair, giving it a much needed break from daily manipulation. Plus, cornrows just beautifully show up our natural hair textures, celebrating every single coils and kink. You can totally go for those sleek, classic straight back cornrows, always chic and always timeless. Or let your creativity shine with intricate custom designs. I'm talking about stunning swirls, sharp zigzags, or even those cool geometric patterns that are basically art on your head. We are also seeing awesome styles where cornrows just flow right into voluminous buns, super chic high ponytails, or simply leave the ends free to embrace that beautiful, full natural fro. And for that extra touch that screams you, don't be shy about adding some beads and cuffs to make your style truly unique. So these styles are comfy, easy to maintain, and can make you look beautiful. So then, which natural hair cornrow style totally caught your eye? Drop it in the comments below. If you felt inspired watching this video, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing natural hair and braid content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I will catch you next time. Bye.